Silakan 8 apel dan 10 mangga.
Apa?
Lalu saya forgot, saya lalu
Lalu
I
ya?
forgot.
Oh, lupa. Saya
lupa.
lupa ya.
Saya lupa. Iwan.
Karena
B1.
kamu sudah mengerti ya B1.
Wah, makasih.
Sama-sama, mantap.
Hello,
Yeay.
Iwan.
Indonesia, an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, stretches along the equator. With towering peaks like Mount Kerinci and nestled in the heart of the Coral Triangle, Indonesia boasts one of the richest marine ecosystems in the world. But the islands share more than just nature. Bahasa Indonesia is the common thread that binds them together, a language spoken by millions across this diverse nation.
Indonesia is huge. From Sumatra to Java to Bali and beyond. This country is humongous. And over the next week, I'm taking on the challenge of learning this language, the language that brings them all together.
Indonesia's history is deeply intertwined with colonialism. The Dutch East Indies Company, or VOC, was a major player in shaping the region's trade and politics. But that wasn't the end of the story. By the early 20th century, nationalist movements were gaining momentum, leading to Indonesia's eventual independence in 1945. Today, Indonesia is a vibrant, independent nation, but its history with the Dutch is still very much a part of its identity. My Indonesian language journey starts with self-learning. Using Busu and YouTube, I'm getting to grips with the basics, greetings, simple phrases, and basic sentence structure.
How are you?
Halo, apa kabar?
Halo, apa kabar?
Halo, apa kabar? Alright, this is an easy lesson. Apa kabar means how are you in Indonesian? And unlike other languages, Indonesian does not have verb tenses and plural.
And this one, sampai,
Nanti.
until, nanti, later.
Sampai nanti.
nanti.
See you later.
Kenapa bahasa Indonesia itu mudah? Karena yang pertama, menggunakan sistem alfabet seperti banyak bahasa yang lain. Lalu yang kedua, pengucapannya cukup mudah. Yang ketiga, bahasa Indonesia tidak banyak perubahan kata seperti pada bahasa Inggris misalnya. Sebagai contoh ada go, went, gone, sedangkan di bahasa Indonesia tetap menggunakan pergi.
Today, I've enlisted the help of Hendry, a native Indonesian teacher. Time to dive deeper into the language.
Memperkenalkan diri. Can I say that?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Bisa.
Bisa kamu memperkenalkan diri? Okay. Can you say kebangsaan Anda apa?
You can, but actually we just say Anda datang dari mana?
Where you come from?
Where you come from.
Anda datang dari mana? Dari mana? Oh. So if I say bisa means to be able to, I can.
Bisa, can, to be
Right.
able to.
Kamu datang dari mana?
Saya dari Indonesia.
Saya dari Indonesia. Oh. Saya juga dari Indonesia.
Oh ya?
Hendry's insight into the language is eye-opening. After our lesson, I took a walk around Jakarta and stumbled across something unexpected. It turns out I've just walked into a beauty contest highlighting Indonesia's strong and stylish Muslim women, many of whom are incredibly active in society as entrepreneurs, artists, and influencers.
Alright guys, I was so lucky to bump into a fashion show right there. So all the contestants are there getting ready. And I didn't know that, even though you're a Muslim woman, you can still take part into a défilé. Awesome. Let's watch them.
This is something I hadn't expected. seeing the fusion of tradition and modernity here in Indonesia. Muslim women are playing leading roles in shaping the cultural and social landscape. It's a powerful reflection of the diversity in this country. Back to my notebook. Henry's pushing me further today, but online. We're working on more vocabulary and some tricky sentence structures.
So, pagi tami. So this morning, right? I want to say tadi pagi. Kami membersihkan rumah.
Silakan 8 apel dan 10 mangga.
That means here you are, 8 apples and 7 mango. Silakan 8 apel dan 10 mangga.
Dia mau beli 5 komputer.
5. Dia mau beli komputer. Tolong fotokopi dokumen ini 9 kali. 9 kali. But language isn't just about speaking, it's about connecting with culture. So I took a break from my lessons and headed out to explore Indonesia's rich heritage.
We continue for coloring. We start from light to darker. For instance, blue here. So blue we use from indigo. And after that, we cover by bivouac both sides. Then we continue for yellow. Yellow we use from kurkuma.
Rising from the jungle in Magelang, the peculiar chicken church stands as an unusual neighbor to the Grand Borobudur. While Borobudur reflects Indonesia's Buddhist heritage, this quirky structure blends faith in its own unique way, with a chapel shaped like a giant bird. I traveled to Yogyakarta to visit the iconic Borobudur temple and impressive Prambanan temple. Stepping into those magnificent temples really brings home the sense of history that underpins the language.
Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple, was built in the 9th century and it serves both as a place of worship and spiritual journey.
At the majestic Prambanan temple, as night falls, stories come to life. The Ramayana ballet unfolds under the stars, with traditional music and dance illuminating the ancient Hindu epic against a stunning backdrop of temple spires. After my cultural deep dive, it's back to language lessons. Today, all about expanding my vocabulary and polishing my grammar.
Let me try. Try is coba. So if I want to say let me try again, how can I say that? Bagaimana mengatakan let me try again dalam bahasa Indonesia?
Biar ku coba lagi.
Biar ku coba lagi.
Ya, ku coba lagi. Let me try again.
Naik sepeda motor di Bali terlalu berbahaya dan sulit.
Kamu sudah belajar cukup banyak ya. Jadi saya pikir kamu sudah siap.
Oke.
Jadi kamu berbicaralah dengan teman saya, Fred, dan dia akan menentukan kemampuan bahasa Indonesiamu.
Fred adalah temanmu?
Fred adalah temanku.
Okay.
It's test day. Henry asked me to go and meet his friend Fred to pass a conversation test.
Alright guys, we are here meeting Henry's friend Fred, and I'm going to try on my Indonesian and see how far I get. Hopefully I get a high grade. Hey Fred.
Halo.
Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Kabar baik.
Bagaimana kabar?
Sangat baik.
Sangat baik.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Hai.
Jadi bagaimana di Labuan Bajo?
Labuan Bajo sangat indah.
Ya, betul.
Sangat indah. Sunset juga sangat indah.
Ya. Matahari terbenam. Bagus ya?
Bagus, sangat bagus. Terima kasih.
Sudah berapa lama belajar bahasa Indonesia?
1 bulan.
1 bulan.
1 bulan.
Mantap.
Saya belajar sudah belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Selama 1 bulan.
Tapi
ya?
sedikit sulit.
Tidak apa-apa. Pelan-pelan. Iya. Besok rencana mau ada apa? Besok
kami sudah punya acara.
Oh ya?
Ya. Besok kami pergi ke Pulau Komodo dengan kapal.
Dengan kapal?
Kapal.
Yes, kapal.
Dengan kapal.
Kamu akan melihat Komodo Dragon juga? Akan melihat Komodo Dragon?
Melihat?
Ya.
Saya mau melihat Komodo Dragon.
Wow, mantap ya. Komodo hanya di Pulau Komodo.
Ya. Saya sudah tahu.
Setelah ini ke Pulau Bali.
Tahu. Pulau Bali.
Saya punya rumah di Bali juga. Ya, saya tinggal di Bali.
Benarkah?
Yes, betul.
Oh, kamu punya rumah di Bali?
Ya, ada rumah di Bali.
Besar atau kecil?
Sedang.
Lumayan.
Tidak besar, tidak
lumayan
kecil.
Besar.
Tidak. Sudah ada rencana di Bali. Surfing
dan kami mau mengunjungi candi dan masjid
ya.
Masjid dan tapi mereka tidak ada gereja.
Ada sedikit
di Bali. Sedikit.
Ya, ada. Tapi
ada banyak candi.
Ya, candi
tidak.
lebih banyak, candi Hindu. Ya.
Saya sangat suka Indonesia karena di Indonesia masyarakat society.
Ya, masyarakat
Indonesia, di masyarakat Indonesia orang-orang Indonesia suka sabar, patience,
yes.
sabar,
nice.
Toleransi, dan
apa?
Lalu saya forgot.
Lalu ya.
Forgot.
Oh, lupa. Saya lupa. Ya.
Saya lupa. Itu politeness.
Oh, sopan. Terima kasih banyak.
Berat.
Semoga besok
Sulit.
tidak bagus, sudah bagus sekali.
Berbicara
Bahasa Indonesia
sangat sulit. Tidak mudah.
Ya,
Tidak mudah.
tapi sudah bagus sekali untuk 1 bulan ya.
Makasih banyak.
Ya, mantap sekali.
Oke. So Fred,
Ya.
jadi Fred. So bahasa Indonesia saya
Ya.
bagaimana A1, A2 atau B1? Kamu saya bagaimana rasa?
Ya, saya pikir,
pikir?
ya, bahasa Indonesia kamu bisa sudah bisa di A2 dan beginning of B1.
B1.
Karena
B1.
kamu sudah mengerti ya B1.
Wah, makasih.
Sama-sama, mantap.
Hello,
Yeay.
B1.
This week has been a whirlwind, from self-learning to cultural exploration and everything in between. I've learned more than just words. I've gained a deeper appreciation of Indonesia's history, culture, and the power of its people.
Learning Indonesian has really been challenging, but at the same time, truly rewarding. And I cannot wait to take everything I've learned with me onto the next week.